Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Samar and today I am here with another video that will help you in your academics because today I am going to tell you about a semester project. This semester project is about a game that you can create in Python. So first of all, I would like to apologize with you guys because I was unavailable because of few emergency works and I was not able to create videos. And secondly, I would say thank you very much to all those subscribers who has subscribed my channel and they are just motivating me to create new videos day by day. So without wasting further time, let's move towards the video.
So here I am on my laptop screen and today I am gonna show you a Python semester project. This project is about a turtle feeding game that has been created using Python and it's some famous libraries. So before moving further in this video, please subscribe my channel. I really need your support to make future fantastic videos for you guys, and if you subscribe and like, then it will be encouragement for me. So I'm hoping that you have now subscribed my channel, and now let's move towards the main topic, that is the Python semester project. So here I am in this folder of my game, that is turtle game. So let's open this folder by clicking on this folder, and here you can see the files are available like images and sounds, and this is the main file that is feed the turtle. I'm opening this file. So show more options, and here it is added with IDLE of Python. So I'm opening in this but as I like Visual Studio Code, I will also like to open this in Visual Studio because its interface is just fantastic and I like that. So it is being opening. It will take some time because it's processing. So it will take some time because it is processing. Okay, I think yes, the file is now open, and you can see the code. It is still loading. So here you can see the code is now opened, and I have used turtle graphic games in my this project, that is library of Python. Mainly I have used three main libraries: turtle, math and random. And if talking about the screen, for setting up a screen, I have used turtle screen, that is turtle.screen method, and I have set the BG color to black, and I have used a picture of GIF that will be just animating when the game will be playing. So after that I have used border of the game because there will be some bounds where the turtle and its food will be revolving. So for that I have set position -300 and -300 for x-axis and y-axis, and then left to right we can move using my pen dot forward and left. Then I have created turtle player that is of yellow green color, and its shape will be turtle and speed will be initially 0. Also we can see that initially the score will be 0. When turtle eats its food, it will be increased incrementally. Then further maximum goals are 10, and that are of red color, and it will be in shape of circle. Then let's move towards the code and run the project. So I have just run the project. You can see this is the game interface. In the center you can see yellow green color of turtle is available. You can move using left and right keys, and from up key the speed will be increased. So you can see that score is increased from 0 to 1 and then 2. When I'm just clicking on my up arrow key, its speed is being incrementally increased. So if this collides with the wall, and then it will return back. And these are the bounds that I have defined, -300 and 300. So you can see that it is eating its food, and if it is colliding with the wall, it is turning back. And now I'm increasing the speed by pressing the up arrow key. It is just fun. If you want to play it in speed, then you can press up arrow key, and then it will increase its speed. And now let's see how I'm playing this game. So guys, now you can see the speed is increased and I'm just getting fun by playing in this speed. It is very good for semester project. If you want to create this game, you can use my code. I will provide also the code in the description. Thank you. So I'm hoping this video was helpful for you and you will use this project as a semester, and for that it is mandatory, or I'm requesting you, please subscribe my channel and like video and share with your friends. With that, I would like to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz. We'll see you in next video.